It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, we're going to make these cute, adorable, they're flowers made out of polymer clay. So we're going to start off with this little ball of clay, and I'm going to make 5 petals. And what I'm going to do is start off with, we're going to do like 5 little balls about all the same size. Okay, you gotta pinch it, and you know, you put it to like pointed to the end here. Okay, and then you start forming it to a little peak, and then we're gonna attach all the little sections together. Of course, Lacey's visiting me, and she always has her 2 cents. I think she's enjoying this project. Okay, anyways, I put all the 5 petals together. We can adjust it as we go. And then I'm going to take a small thing of pink clay, little ball of red, sorry. I'm going to take a little ball of pink clay. We're going to put it in the middle. There, flatten it out. Warm as we go. And we're going to put it right down there on top of that. I kind of like what a flower looks like in the center. We're going to take this, this bakeable adhesive, sculpey bakeable adhesive, and I'm going to put a little bit here. I always add that when I attach the jewels, because then they won't come off when you go to bake it. And then I'll take one of these little sequins. There, put that on here, and then I'm going to lift this up. I kind of put a little indent in here for each petal. Right, like that. Okay, then I'm going to form the leaves again like this. Indents all along. Turn it around. I'm going to make 2 of these. A little ball. We're going to point it, pinch the top of the leaf together, and flatten it out with your thumb. Now, you can do any size leaf you want, because they're never going to be perfect anyways. They're not going to be equal at all. You can't make it identical. And then we're going to go here, and yeah, I think I like it right here. And then put it right there. Flatten it down. Oh, it's real off. I can lift this up a bit. Okay, and then you're going to put it in the oven and bake it whatever polymer clay you're using, it's going to be baked to whatever it suggests you to use. And after it comes out, well, it comes out like this, and then you're going to take this glaze, a sculpey glaze, and put the gloss over top of that. And there you will have a nice, cute polymer clay flower. And this can be used on as a necklace. Well, it's kind of big, but earrings. You just have to put a little connection here for a charm. And necklace, earrings, it's going to be put on, for me, I'm going to do a future video. It's a decoration for on glass, on cans, on all sorts of things. You're going to see it in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun. So I hope you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Oh, before we leave, Lacey wants to say hello and goodbye. Come here, Lace. Come here, Lace. Come here. Come here. All right, there she goes. Okay. Oh. Say goodbye to the camera. Look. Say, oh, sorry, baby. Say bye. Say bye.